House fires affect thousands of homes every year in the US. These tragedies are costly in lives and in property damage. With cooking, heating, and electrical wiring as the leading causes, it's easy to underestimate how quickly a house fire can start. But even those who play it safe can still fall victim. We're hoping that you don't need these tips just yet, but just in case you do, here are a few steps that you'll need to take after a house fire. Be sure to check the description to this video for a handful of fire safety and prevention resources from Safewise.com. We've also added helpful links to the Red Cross and the NFPA in case you want to learn more. We all love our stuff, but our family and pets are the real valuables. In the hours and days after a fire, be sure to tend to any injuries or trauma left behind. Get treatment at the hospital for any physical pain, and seek help for emotional wounds too. Children, adults, and even pets may find themselves really shaken from the experience and aftermath. Recovery takes time, so be patient and make space within your family to heal. Even if the fire didn't take everything, you still need to regain your sense of safety. Don't hesitate to seek counseling for yourself or your family. Lean on your community and those offering help, and sit with your feelings as part of the process. The Red Cross's guide recommends looking on the positive side of things whenever possible. When everyone got out safely, when the fire was only partially damaging, when someone heals completely, when you have a support system after the fire, there's always something to be thankful for. Part of the recovery process is returning home, cleaning up, and rebuilding. Resources like your fire department, local organizations, and your insurance companies will be the best places to turn to. Depending on the severity of the fire, your home might not be accessible for a couple of days. Once you get the okay from the fire department, go take pictures of the damage for your home insurance claim. Chances are that the fire won't be the only thing causing damage either. With fire comes water, and with water comes mold. That's why the sooner you can file a claim and start recovering, the better. You'll also want to check your utilities like electrical, plumbing, gas, and HVAC to see if there's any underlying damage beneath the surface. Cleaning up and rebuilding is expensive, but insurance can take a huge load off of this step. Salvage anything that wasn't damaged, burned, or soaked. Hard pieces like kitchenware, tools, toys, electronics might be okay depending on the severity of the fire. But porous materials like fabrics or soft furniture may need to be replaced. You'll need to work fast to remove any water-damaged areas. The longer that water stays, the more hazardous things become. Fire, water, and mold mitigation services might be a good place to start. These companies provide professional contractors to remove and replace damage from disasters like these. Some services might even be covered by insurance. House fires aren't as common as they used to be, but when they do happen, they spread faster thanks to modern design and materials. Cooking, heating, and wiring tend to be the biggest causes of modern house fires, so it's important to prevent them even if you've already been through it. Here are some quick fire prevention tips for the future. Smoke detectors are your main line of defense against fire at home. Test them once a month, make sure they're in the right areas, and replace them every 10 years. We have a list of our best smoke detectors linked in the description if you want to check that out. Distracted dining can be dangerous. Never leave food unattended for long, and be careful when cooking with gas and oil. If you use a space heater or fireplace during the winter, be sure to give them plenty of room to do their thing. This means keeping kids, pets, and fabrics away from them. It's never too late or too early to create a fire escape plan too. Keep important lists and documents in a fireproof safe, know all the exits in your home, and establish a meeting place with your family for when everyone gets out. If you're currently recovering from a house fire, resources like your local fire department and the Red Cross are great places to start. Friends, neighbors, and communities can come together after tragedies like these too. We hope you never have to experience a house fire, but if you have, we wish you a speedy recovery. For more fire safety resources, check the description to learn more. Check out more of our fire safety and prevention videos like how to make a fire escape plan and our interviews with the NFPA about holiday fire safety and tips.
Thanks for watching. And if you want more safety, head over to safewise.com and you can find reviews and our lineups of best home security systems, best wireless cameras, and more. Stay safe.